In this video, we're going to cover ledger lines. So ledger lines are one way of indicating other keys to be played that don't live on the regular staff. So let me show you what I mean. Let's go over the treble ledger lines first. Treble ledger lines help us read notes that are not between C and F. All right? The middle C having its own line. That is a ledger line. That line was written underneath the staff as if we were drawing a whole other staff line, but it's just wider than the note head. So we see here, middle C, right here. Now if we go to the left, we see that middle C ledger line. However, this note is a space note. The line is not going straight through the middle. So that would be B, lower. And then if we wanted to have this particular A, the A under middle C, being notated on the treble staff, we use two ledger lines to do that. Middle C is the first ledger line, then we draw another one, again equidistant of the staff, down, and that would represent A. So when the ledger lines on the treble staff are underneath the treble staff, those notes are going lower, because the lower the note is on the staff or under the staff, the lower it is in pitch on the piano. So now let's go to the right portion of this image. So we know that the middle C has its own line. Then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines. F is the top line. So we have G, space notes, sitting on top of the staff. Then above the staff, the ledger lines represent different notes. See how under the staff, one ledger line was C. Above the treble staff, that first line represents the note A. Then similarly, we have the ledger line, but it's not going through the middle of the note head, so that's going to be next door, one higher than A on B. And then we have two ledger lines above the staff in the treble clef, 1, 2, that is high C. And actually with my students, I call it super high C. So we have middle C with one line, then we have C on the space, then we have super high C, two ledger lines. They seem to remember it quite well, so maybe you will as well. So that wraps up ledger lines. Pay attention to, are you on top of the treble staff or the bass staff, and is the line going through the note, or is the note sitting below it or on top of it?